AI can now write poetry, diagnose diseases, create breathtaking artwork, and even pass professional exams. But how can a machine do all of that? But if you could open the brain of an AI, you wouldn't find memories, emotions, or logic. You'd find something much more surprising: millions of simple numbers. Those numbers organize themselves into something called a neural network, the technology behind modern AI. Each artificial neuron is surprisingly simple. Think of it like a tiny digital light switch. It receives information, performs one small calculation, and decides whether to pass a signal forward. But here's the surprising part. The AI doesn't actually see a cat. It only sees millions of tiny colored pixels. The first layer doesn't recognize a cat. Each neuron looks for one tiny pattern: an edge, a curve, a corner, or a change in brightness. The next layers combine those tiny features into something more meaningful. Lines become ears, curves become eyes, and simple patterns begin forming recognizable shapes. By the time the information reaches the final layer, the AI doesn't say, "This is a cat." It says, "Based on everything I've learned, there's a 98% probability this is a cat." But what if the AI guesses wrong? It doesn't get frustrated or think harder. Instead, it adjusts something called weights, tiny numbers that control how important each connection is. This process happens again and again, millions of times. With every correct answer, the network becomes a little more accurate at recognizing patterns. But here's the biggest misconception. Even after all this training, AI doesn't actually understand what a cat is. It has simply become incredibly good at recognizing patterns. So the next time you ask AI a question, remember, pattern recognition systems ever created, powered by billions of mathematical calculations happening in milliseconds. That's the why and the how behind neural networks. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to Why How Studios, where we uncover the science and technology shaping our future. Thanks for watching.